My results with, you may get them here as well. Your contact location looked great, but the therapy looked like it was kind of pushed in a different direction. The F round screen? Yeah, definitely. Okay. So like bring your arms up into diamond elbow position and start to push your head away from the table. Bump a little bit higher. Good. So he's nice and straight through here. So I would say that if he's got a hinge spot, it might be that. But I couldn't really tell until I did that screen because it is a little bit higher up than normal. Okay, so lower all the way down now. This table might be a little small for him, but I'm gonna try this. We're gonna just narrow him up slightly. And he's a little too high now, so I'm gonna bring his arms forward slightly from there. And then again, forehead down.